Okay guys, hey, my name is Ben and this is
Tyco
and we are
EMA-TV.
And today we're going to be talking about a very special topic. As you guys know, EMA stands for Entrepreneurship, Motivation and
Athletics.
Right, and today we're going to be talking about the motivational part of our video channel. And what we're going to be talking about is very magical. So guys, be ready for something special and let's get right into it. Okay guys, so here we are talking about motivation. And motivation means realizing our
dreams.
And what do we do when we realize our
dreams?
We
get successful.
We get successful. So with that being said, that's all about our topic today. Let's be successful. And one way to do it is to do
Sigil magic.
And Sigil magic is something that Tyco will explain us today, as he is a dream analyst. He wrote a book that we're going to be introducing to you guys in one of our next episodes. And I would say let's get right into it and ask the expert about
Sigil magic.
There you go. Okay guys, we are super excited and want to start with our first question. What is a sigil and how is it related to entrepreneurship, motivation and to fitness?
Fitness. Let's start with some examples of sigils. The Nike swoosh is actually a sigil. Nike means victory. So the whole essence of the idea, Nike, fitness, moving forward, is all encapsulated in the swoosh. Other companies use it in different ways. A particular company that has a big M in it, that M looks like it's made of French fries, but it's referred to as the golden arches. The M is actually made of gold, and it doesn't stand for something, it actually stands for money. And that's the magic in it.
Wow, so interesting. And how is it related to fitness?
That's the Nike swoosh.
About fitness and motivation, as we all want to do better in life. We want to be healthier, we want to gain muscles, we want to lose weight and have our dreams that we want to realize. A sigil may be a way to realize that dream, because it will anchor that dream that you have in the world and help you to create it in your universe. And now the question is, how do we do a sigil? Tyco will show us exactly how we're going to be doing it.
So this is one way of doing a sigil. There's many ways, but this is the one that I choose to do. I'm actually using a blue marker this time, which is the color of intuition and the unconscious. So it's kind of apropos that I'm using a blue today. Let's pick something really easy. You want to frame it in a positive happening motion. So I'm going to go with I eat organic food. So the first thing you do is write out your intention. Next thing you do is go through and cross out all of the vowels. I, E, A, O, R, A again, I, 2 O's. So then you want to drop below that and use the letters that you have, which are R, T, G, N, C, F, and D. Now with these letters, you go through and find ways that you can incorporate one letter into another one. A great example is this T here, the F. Add that line to the top of the F, and you've got a T there, so we can block that one. The R, there's an R there if we add it onto the F like that. So you can see there's the F was there, the T is now there, the R is now there. The G, there's actually a G inside of the TFR there. You can see a G shape there, so we'll go with that. The N, add a line down here like this. It can be backward or forward, it doesn't matter that way. So now we have a backward and. So you can see that this symbol is starting to incorporate all the letters that I used in the example. The C, there's a C right there. We can mark that up. The D, there's essentially a D right there. So at this point we're left with a symbol that looks a little bit like this at this point. Now that encompasses that whole intention right there. Now the next thing to do is to take this and form it into some kind of a magical form. Just freehand it off, and you're going to end up with some sort of magic symbol. That's one right there. That's considered to be a sigil. So that encapsulates i.e. organic food. So the whole intention has been boiled down to this symbol. We put a circle around the symbol, which holds the magic of the symbol. Then comes the activation.
Alright guys, so this is super magical already. So now my next question for Tyco is, how do we activate it and what do we do after we activate it?
So a lot of people like to put the symbol away and let it brew, basically. So what they do is they try to forget what the symbol actually means, which drops the symbol into the unconscious. This isn't really necessary to me. Some people prefer to do it, whatever you prefer to do. Now that the whole intention is encapsulated in the symbol, it comes down to activating the symbol, and there are many ways to activate the symbol. You can use happiness, you can take the symbol with you in your thoughts, you can go out into the forest and meditate, you can go bungee jumping, you can hold the symbol close to your chest and activate it through the fear and excitement of bungee jumping. So you have it close to your heart and you do the bungee jump and activate the symbol that way. Another way you can do is to actually paint the symbol on your heart. If you want to get really crazy, you can get some body paints and have some fun with somebody and smear that symbol all over yourself. That's another great way to activate it. You can decorate a cake with it and eat the cake. There's many, many ways to activate the symbol.
Okay, so here we are at the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed our video and you really like the content. Sigils is one way of achieving your goals. Remember guys, there's a lot about motivation, self-motivation and things you can do to make your life better, to improve your life and get what you want. But if you have more questions, what could you do?
Leave a like on the video please, and leave a question in the comment section below.
Absolutely, so leave us a comment in the comment section and you can also reach us at EMA-TV-Hawaii@gmail.com, and this guy right here will answer your questions. And remember guys, we are here for you. There's a lot about it, and see you guys in the next
video.
Get it. Educate yourself, but what else could you do if you want to have oh, that was pretty good, shit. Right? That was pretty good. Yeah, that was pretty good.
So if you have any questions, drop a message in the link below.
Oh, that's nice. Leave a like and leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, one more time.